Hey Nikki, this one is for you. This is Mel. I just got out of the shower. I know you were having questions about our Perfectly Posh chunks, and I wanted to share. This is my chunk. I've had it for about 2 weeks. I have dropped it in the shower. It has become a casualty. It is the Posh Life Lemon Berry, and I know your husband has berry issues, so just please stay away from this, but all of our chunks are this size. So what I'm going to do is I am actually going to lather, so you can actually see what I was talking about earlier when I meant that Posh doesn't lather like other soaps. You can see it, but you're not going to see bubbles. You'll see what I mean in just 1 second. So you see soap, you see my hand is wet. Just going to roll my hand over. You see the coating on that? It's not bubbling like normal soap that you would get from the store, but you can clearly see it. It's kind of thick. I would say it's kind of lotiony. So I'm going to rinse it off. Rinsing it off, it's gone. There's no residue left behind, and my hands are actually really soft. So you can imagine if you use this for a couple weeks what your skin is actually going to feel like. Thanks. Bye.